Why aren't my Amazon PPC ads working? Well, we will have to identify what is working. We will have to define what working means. When it comes down to working, I'm looking into the technical side and also the performance side. So the technical side, is it correctly set up? Because ads not working, you can also say that you don't get impressions. Now, not getting impressions can be a bidding issue. So either you're not bidding high enough, either simply your product is ineligible to run ads for. And then that is something that you're not going to see only if you're opening up the campaign and then looking into where it says delivering, it's going to see ineligible. So that's why it's important to understand, is it a technical reason or not? The third thing that I'm seeing very often happening that most brands are not even aware of is that if they're losing their buy box, you cannot advertise for a product that does not have a buy box. So in that case, nothing that you would do on the bid management side or on the budget side, it's going to work just because your ad is not visible. So that's why I'm saying that it's really important to understand first these three levels for the technical part. And then when it comes down to the performance part, we're going to look into, again, bidding. Are you bidding high enough? And then it's something that they're shown for the keyword that you're bidding for, but people are not purchasing. So it can be, is your ad relevant or not? That could be also an issue, because if you're bidding high enough and it's still irrelevant and people are not purchasing but they're clicking, that can give you an idea. But again, it's a broad question. Why aren't my ads not working? I would say just analyze from, like, zoom out for clarity, analyze from these 2 points of views. Is it a technical setup or is it a performance issue?